Yes.
But yeah,
Whoa.
that's my mind.
Music.
Playing that with my mind.
Oh, I looked at the lens. I'm sorry. Can we do that over? I'm sorry. I'm the worst at being interviewed.
We're terrible. Yeah, I guess we released our first EP in.
Oh, CDs. That's a good thing to talk about. Our stuff.
We actually just whittled our record into a tree stump, and you can go and scratch a pencil into the tree stump.
Anyways. Oh, how? What's the description?
Thick and chunky like cowboy coffee. No, thick and filling like cowboy coffee.
Yeah.
Or chunky. I would assume cowboy coffee.
Chunky sounds kind of gross.
It does.
It's a negative.
But it's a
connotation.
cowboy, so you're making it out in the woods.
Anyway,
Yeah.
we'll rock and roll. I mean, you play in one of the main venues, like Starlight or Bricks or whatever, and you meet people who kind of
Just
have a finger in every musical pie in Edmonton. It's a great analogy. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know where I'm going with that.
Good job. Yeah. Really great.
I'm a pro.
No, I just started speaking and I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna say. That opens like two doors and then you just like, yeah. That's fantastic. I love that about this place. This place. That sounds so ungrateful.
Don't hurt yourself.
I have. Yeah, we'll live in a box if we have to, I guess.
No, because then we'll have nowhere to practice.
Oh, that's fine. Which is kind of how we go into most friendships.
Yeah.
As long as this is good.
That's terrible. You're a horrible person.
But yeah,
You're serving me.
Yeah.
as
long as I'm getting things.
this is a one-way street.
When you stop
straight
bringing
here.
me beer, we're done.
Yeah, that's happened on multiple occasions. People bring us pity beer. It's terrible.
Well, I mean, part of it is that Edmonton is still an oil city, and so lots of people have money to spend on things like that, and that goes well.
Thanks, dinosaurs. That's another poster idea.
It's a
Thanks.
concept album.
Concept.
Thanks, dinosaurs.
The first half of the album will just be dinosaurs screeching. And then the second half will be...
Them screeching because they're dying.
Yeah.
The
exactly.
last half is the oil companies moving.
Yes.
Oh.
And the screeching brakes and big tires and trucks. Yeah.
It sounds like an industrial record.
Yeah.
Get
I like-
Rammstein in to do some...
Someone called Trent Reznor. But this time-
Okay,
Yeah,
that'd be
yeah.
wicked. Him and I are good buddies. I have him on speed dial.
Do you?
T-Rez, as I call him.
Okay. Be yourself.
Don't let them... I don't know.
So we should say it together and point at the camera. Whatever.
Don't,
Never give up.
don't,
Be yourself.
just do it.
Wait.
I think you use it.
I think that one's trademark.
Do it. Just,
Do it, just. Okay.
yeah, don't
Don't quit.
stop. Like,
Believe
Edmonton needs to
Hang on to this
shut
feeling.
it. We're gonna get sued.
I'm sorry. I think that's all we got.
Yeah. Is there a stamp in there somewhere? Did you hear one?
I can pull stamp out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You're a wizard.
Come as a surprise.